Choosing the right windows for your home means finding a solution that performs well year-round. In a place like Meridian, where the seasons bring a mix of warm summers, cooler winters, and everything in between, your windows need to be versatile and reliable. Double-hung windows are a popular choice among homeowners because they are specifically designed to adapt to changing conditions while maintaining comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. One of the most important ways double-hung windows adapt to seasonal changes is through their flexible ventilation. With two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom, these windows give you greater control over airflow. During warmer months in Meridian, you can open both sashes to create natural air circulation. Warm air rises and escapes through the top opening, while cooler air enters through the bottom. This helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduces the need for constant air conditioning. When temperatures drop during cooler seasons, double-hung windows continue to perform effectively. Modern designs are built with tight seals that prevent drafts and keep cold air out. This insulation helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable while reducing the strain on your heating system. In Meridian, where seasonal shifts can be noticeable, this ability to adapt is especially valuable. Energy efficiency is another key advantage. Double-hung windows are often equipped with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These elements help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By maintaining a stable indoor climate, these windows help lower energy usage and reduce utility costs over time. Another benefit of double-hung windows is their ability to manage humidity levels. During warmer months, excess moisture in the air can make your home feel uncomfortable. By allowing for better airflow, double-hung windows help reduce humidity and improve indoor air quality. This creates a fresher, more comfortable environment for you and your family. Durability is also an important factor when dealing with seasonal changes. Double-hung windows are designed to withstand a variety of weather conditions, from heat and sun exposure to wind and rain. High-quality materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring long-term performance. For homeowners in Meridian, this means fewer repairs and greater peace of mind throughout the year. Ease of maintenance is another feature that adds to their adaptability. Many double-hung windows are designed with tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This makes it easier to keep your windows in top condition, regardless of the season. Regular maintenance helps ensure they continue to perform efficiently year after year. Another way these windows adapt to seasonal changes is through their ability to block outside noise. Improved sealing and multiple panes of glass help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Whether it's wind, rain, or everyday outdoor activity, this feature contributes to a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Security is also enhanced with double-hung windows. Modern locking systems secure both sashes in place, providing reliable protection for your home. This added security remains effective regardless of the season, giving you confidence and peace of mind. In addition to their functional benefits, double-hung windows offer a timeless design that complements a wide range of home styles. Their classic appearance makes them a versatile choice for both traditional and modern homes in Meridian. This combination of style and performance adds to your home's overall appeal and value. Finally, double-hung windows provide long-term value. Their ability to adapt to changing weather conditions, improve energy efficiency, and enhance comfort makes them a worthwhile investment. Over time, the savings on energy costs and reduced maintenance needs contribute to their overall cost-effectiveness. In the end, double-hung windows are an excellent solution for handling Meridian's seasonal changes. With their flexible ventilation, strong insulation, and durable construction, they offer year-round performance that keeps your home comfortable in every season.